So let's do a quick unboxing and demo here of the Vantrue T800. This is going to be a compressed air fan. You can see some of the specs right there, and I'm really curious to see what it's like in terms of comparison here with the smaller T150, which is more compact and less powerful, so I want to see how the 800 compares. Now, popping off the cover here, looks like the first thing we've got is a copy of the user manual, and it's in a bunch of different languages here, but it gives you some basic information here about the blower. Underneath there, looks like we've got some cables. We've got a USB-A to USB-C cable to let us charge it. And then underneath here, we've got the actual blower itself. It is definitely a big boy, and it's pretty heavy too. And pulling out the foam, looks like that's all that's included. That is a little bit different than the 150, because the 150 comes with not only the same USB cable, but also with the different attachments here for the blower and little brushes and stuff, something that we don't have here on the 800. And if we put the two models side by side, as you can see, the 800 is noticeably bigger than the 150. No surprise there. And then taking a closer look at the blower itself, we've got our trigger right here to make it blow or not. We have an on-off switch here on the back, which can also change the different power levels. And then at the bottom, we have a USB port here to charge it. Now let's go ahead and kind of turn it on here. You can see we've got full power there. And if we push the button here like this, we've got it set right now to low. I'll push it again real quick just to turn it off while we talk. And I can also, I guess, put the manual there so you can see it blowing a little bit, but we'll put it, whoa, starting to blow already, even on low. Now I can also go over here to the next option here like this. This is gonna be medium. Go ahead and trigger. And then the last option is gonna be all the way over here like this. This is gonna be the most powerful option, but this one it looks like only works when you're holding down the trigger. You can see with this one, it'll actually stop when you let go. And that's definitely blowing stuff all over my office here, including the box. But if we do that, whoo, gone like that as soon as I catch it. So that's definitely very powerful here. And out of curiosity, I can try the same thing here with the 150. We got it powered on, we'll blow. And that works too. It's certainly not as powerful. You don't always need crazy amount of power, but I think it would come as no surprise that the 800 is gonna be much more powerful than the 150.